The old bird was the name my mom used when she was fishing for information. Old bird, what's on your mind? She would ask. You see, we were like oil and water, so very different. My mom was the most amazing woman I've ever met. She was also a city girl. Now that we had in common. I'm a city girl living in the country. I'm Linda, the old bird. Rosemary found me. I planted a small sprig and it grew like mad. The more I learned about it, the more I cooked with it. And the more I used it, the more I loved it. My time down on the farm now is filled with planting, growing, and learning about rosemary. It is an amazing herb. It helps boost your immune system. It can help improve your memory. And there are components in rosemary that have been shown to reduce anxiety. Not to mention using it in dishes that will make you smack your lips. I'm adding thyme, sage, and basil to my farm. Vegetables are calling me. And did I mention that most of my gardening is in containers? It's all so exciting to this old bird. Join me on this journey as I share what I've learned in my videos and vlogs. I'm not a great cook by any means, but I must admit that my brother-in-law's cat loves my cooking. I'll share some easy, simple recipes here as well. So subscribe to my channel and let's have some fun.